Hello, welcome back. This is week 7, if I'm counting it right. This is week 7 of learning Python for everybody. I'm still conflicted about the naming of this series because I already named it like episode 1 and 2 and then days and now this. So the ADHD is really showing here, I would say. But I think it's best to really capture it this way, like week 7, because I started to actually question, can I really call like each day was spent really on Python? Because yeah, this week was really tough and long, and I don't think I had the same progress or anything like to actually really think. I'm really this flat situation is not helping obviously, but you cannot really use it as an excuse because shit happens, life happens, but it never should stop you from learning. You shouldn't use it as an excuse because yes, it's a problem and it's sometimes you have to spend some time dealing with it. But we what we agreed on, we agreed 1 hour a day, and even if I'm homeless, I should be able to have 1 hour, especially if I'm homeless, because I can just whip out my laptop at McDonald's and then really just code. I think I would be even more productive. But let's not go there. Let's not go that far. And let's fucking think about. So, uh, yeah, this week was extremely tough. I was really, but not is because I was just such a like downward downward spiral in my like mood and everything that I just really couldn't focus on figuring out stuff. We had this cardian. I think this was exactly. So last week, let's try to recap. So last week when I had my stream, was it on Sunday? I think was it on Sunday. Um, we were stuck. Let's say on the on this Dell. Where is that shit? Oh my god. I cannot find my notes, bros. I cannot. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Yeah. So I remember. Yeah, this was crazy. This was crazy. But then we moved on. We continued to make notes, and then I was stuck on the idea of how to to change this from like with two ifs. Instead of two ifs, you should use the or. And yeah, I just couldn't. And I think like I had the vague idea on how to do this, but the syntax was incorrect. So of course I asked my friend. We just figured it out. Like, I mean, he told me. And one thing which is interesting here is that I learned more advanced way of opening files. Is that the with open is gonna keep the file open. If I understand it correctly, it's gonna keep the file open as long as for the indentation. And if you continue with your program, the file is not gonna be open anymore. So you can only call the file, I guess, when it's inside the indentation. And this can save memory, and this is like the advanced, like the professional way, let's say, to open files. And then we are here with our wonderful exercise 4. So this is really, I think this is where we're gonna stuck here for a while, if we're gonna do it right, because we should figure out from here. And I was thinking that really all the resource should be the book and my notes. And if I just cannot find it, I mean the book shouldn't give you a challenge ideally, which is not included in the book already. Hopefully, this is how I think. I mean, it would be a pretty shitty book if it would give you otherwise. And anyway, let me just open up the code and let me fix my little graphics card sound. What was the name of that app? I can't even remember. Won't you dance with me? Dun, 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 dun. Pam, pam, pam. Da, 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 dun, dun, dun. This is the one, yes. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, wow. So let's think. So what we have to do here, we have a file with a couple of lines from Romeo, not even a big file. It was actually first it was daunting to me because I was like, no way I'm gonna have to like work with a file which has 20,000 notes or words. But here it is. See, it's just couple of these guys. Um, Let me just share this also. Yeah, here's the task. And what I can do so far is, of course, break these into lists, separate lists, and then we can sort them into like alphabetic order. But the problem comes from is that it wants me to list all unique words, all in alphabetic order, and for for each word, check to see if the word is already in the. What the fuck is this? I'm so sorry. So for each line, if the word is not in the list of unique words, add it to the list. And when the program sort and print the list of unique words in alphabetical order. So what I broke it down even yesterday. I think it was yesterday when I was dealing with this. Yes, absolutely. That we need to. This will create from each line a separate list, and I need to get all of these words into a separate list. And how I'm gonna do this? By the way, I went to pop quiz day before yesterday. Very nice. It was such a nice, like, good feedback, let's say, because I was with some nice people, and of course they started to talk about Python. One guy was learning coding, and like, I need the reassurance. I need the reassurance that it is possible, because for now, I mean, I do learn about stuff. I can name stuff. I know this is the iteration variable. I know that there are methods and functions, and you have to like call them in a different way. Mutable lists. There is. I now I kind of get what is none, because if a function is none, it means it's gonna change the initial variable. But if you assign a variable to a function which returns none, it's not gonna work. So the non functions change it initially, like change the actual variable, which you call it from. So in these things kind of make sense, right? But I still don't see how I'm gonna actually think, as a programmer, how I'm gonna logically solve problem. I really don't know. I feel I'm so far from this. But they said that you're motivated, you're obviously motivated, and it's possible. It's just something you have to learn, and then you're gonna it's gonna. So they were really reassuring me, and I need the reassurance. So right. Uh, And I tried all kind of a bunch of stuff here, but we need to think it through. So let's write it down. We need to create, I already did it, and we need to create a list from the list. Currently it's 4 lists. This is, I don't know why you worded it like this, but basically we need to extract all the new keyboard. We need to extract all the words from the list and add them to the all right. So if we follow my idea, so we can now, so we know that we want to just really imagine it in your mind. Try to approach it from a different angle. But what do we want to do? If we think about it from the, not from here, but here. Like try to think it from backwards. Like try to think that everything is possible. There must be a logical way to go through this. I'm gonna read it again. So find all unique words in a file Shakespeare used over in a file. Shakespeare used over 20,000 words in his works. But how would you determine that? How would you produce the list of all the words that Shakespeare used? Would you download all his work, read it, and track all unique words by hand? Let's use Python to achieve that instead. List all unique words sorted in alphabetical order that are stored in romeo.txt containing a subset of Shakespeare's work. To get started, download a copy of the file, create a list of unique words which will contain the final result. Write a program to open the file and read it line by line. For each line, split the... Okay. So I have a question, because I really truly have a question with this, because this is not clear for me at all. So now we have with open, which will read the file automatically, right? But before, and because this is something new, right? This is something we are not even supposed to do, because it was not in the book. If I wouldn't ask my friend this, we wouldn't know about this. And before, I think in the file section, which was here, I guess, we had a separate way, like we open and read and close, which is the same as with. So maybe we can even check. If we check the with, so maybe I can, okay. So I'm gonna collect, if I'm gonna have some questions, because we're gonna have, my friend Andre said that if I'm gonna have some, like when we should have our next session. So I'm just gonna get session 2 and I'm gonna ask for this. Why is it like here? I want to put it here. Can you go here, please? Thank you. Nice. I think this is clear. Yeah. And then we can move on. That's the thing. Okay, we note it down because we are interested, and we move on. Because I could start Googling this shit, right? But why not just move on? Why not just move on? You learning much more effectively when you have a coaching, I guess. I mean, I still don't use the like from the last. That was the key takeaway. Use the debugger, right? And I don't really use the debugger since then. But I think there was not really a need for that right now, because we don't know actually what to use. That's the thing. We don't know what to use. The debugger is gonna be useful when we have an idea what to use. For each line, split the line into words using the split function. So we did it, right? We did. But we didn't even split it into words. We split it into a list, right? I'm getting cold. For each word, check to see if the word is already in the list of unique words. So, list of unique words. How to create a list of unique words. Because we don't have yet. There is nothing like that. So we have to create a list of unique words. How do you create a list of unique words? Definitely something with the 4. Forgot. I forget so many things. What is the hotkey for bullets? Do I have it here? Control plus P. Was it P or dot? Okay, whatever. Yeah, but and I want to have it normally. Okay, fine. So, create a list of unique words. Create an empty list. Good, we have a lot of time, by the way. 12, we have 2.5 hours, which is like perfectly realistic. To like it's a legit amount of time for this. So you should be glad, okay? You should be glad. You are in control. Okay. So what I can do now is really go back to the book and how to create a new, like let's just create a new list. And yeah, we don't have to like, maybe this whole idea is to like to make it. I know yesterday I was thinking I should convert it all to strings, and then I don't know. I think that's silly. You just have to look for and just add it. So list operations concatenates a list, traversing in a list. For cheese in cheese, for loop. But if you want to write update element, you need indices. There are several ways to create a new list. The simplest is to enclose the elements in square brackets. Da, da, da. So unique. I'm gonna just do this. We have a unique now. We have a unique list. Right. Nice. So now that we have the unique list, words equals line dot split. So now, why I didn't press anything. I think maybe I did. Okay, shut up. For each line, for each check to see if the word is already in the list of unique words. Shit. Where's my F5? Why do I have to always select the Python debugger? This wasn't like this, by the way. Okay, so for each line, check if it was in the unique. So, yes, maybe like this. Because, okay, so but, it's unique. Soft, unique. What, unique. Everything is unique here. Everything is new. This is new. Is not new, right? Is not happening. Is happens multiple times. So the first line is completely unique. The second line is the third line. Yeah, okay, I know, I get it. So how I'm gonna check for line in the ben, yeah. So if, oh my god, how? What would be the logical way to go about this? What would be the logical way to go about this? Tell me. Tell me, Gergely. If, okay, I have no idea. I have to think this through because now again I'm trying to slice codes together without actually understanding the logic. How do I check? So in this program, if we try to understand this code, what will actually happen here? We know this will read the file. This will, if the number of words equals 0, or continue, or if the first is not equals to from, continue, right? So what happens here is we ignore. Let me just quickly check. Let me open here the debug as well, just so we can understand the previous code. Maybe not like this. Wow. Yeah, I think the problem is you are using this huge file. We need the short one. Excuse me. Excuse me. Should be the result. I don't know what's going on now. This should be the result. We should need the Thursdays. Oh, God damn it. M box, short M box. Oh, this is only the M box. So even this one should be like this. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, still works. This works. Okay, I don't know what's your problem then. Okay, anyway, what we were trying to figure out, if the number, so basically the first letter in each list, okay, you can stop. This is too much. Shut up. See, each line is a separate list here as well. So what we are doing, if the number is equal 0, or the first character doesn't include from, continue, is not equal to from, is not equal to from, continue. Because here we do know that it's gonna be, I have no idea why is this actually working, to be honest. from. See, it's from. So what's the problem? Oh my god. Yeah, here. So for example, here. Okay, let's try. Is equals if len words equal or words doesn't include from. Continue. Okay, so then it does include from. So we only care about what's the and then from here we're gonna take the second one, and this is where we have the Thursday, right? So in the current task, we have to, like, if len, I think we can still go and say, like, we are caring about the first character, and we are, if doesn't include, continue. Unfortunately, I still think that we can use this code, and I hope it's true. Because we want to know about the first one, but it doesn't include. That's the thing. What is gonna be the or here? Because or word 0 doesn't include the same letter as before. The same as before. We need to think this through. So is there a way to, like, okay, we know that this is, we start here, we want this, right? And we also, like, say it, if it doesn't include from, but here, did we even create here like a new list or not? We didn't, right? This is not a list. Or did we? God damn it. It's a string, right? But what if we call here the sort thingy? Print or add it to the print sorted. Okay, sorted. Let's try the sorted thingy. No, not really good. Not really good. Words.sort. Words.sort. Lists are mutable. Yeah, it created. So here we actually created a provides. Split it again. So we can split the, split. You can use, if you want to print into Word, use the split method. When we are indexing, we're gonna basically just get a string from the from the list. But what I want to figure out if I can now put this into a list and put them into alphabetical order. Okay, I got demotivated a very little bit. Yes, 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 because I don't know what I'm doing at all. But if it's even a logical way to think about this, because we can do anything, right? That's the point. So if we want to understand how this work, so let's not break my program anymore because this is working. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna put a new testing file, and we're gonna we're gonna call this just test. So what do we want to do here? We have strings here now. See, because here it's a list string. It's still a list though. But if we're gonna slice, we're gonna create strings from them, obviously. So I want to add them. I want to add these little guys now to I finished LA Noir recently, and unfortunately, it was not the best time for me to play because or for the game, it was unfortunate because I think I was just really not immersed. And for that game, it's really, I think if I play it when it was released, I would appreciate it much more. But for me now, it was like so dragging, so boring, so fucking boring to always just go to a new location, then the same music goes in, check the items. Um, I don't know. Actually, it's a really good question how to make it actually more interesting because, like, that's the thing. You couldn't fail really the missions, right? You couldn't fail them. And I felt like there's a linear way. It's still like, you just go and you have to push through the buttons, but there's not the actual, like the way to actually like think it through, or really that you could actually lose the case because you couldn't find the right, like the whole like how you accuse people and how the investigation felt so on artificial, because I just had, yeah, I think I didn't pay enough attention. Maybe that's the thing also, because I was not really immersed. Because if I would really pay attention to the clues and everything, then all the options the game gives you would have been right, like would have been more organic. But for me it was a drag. I just wanted to get it over with, to be honest. And but also the ending and everything, the cutscenes, it feels really the game was rushed, even though they worked on it a lot, but they were still not ready. The pacing, the pacing, like big key story elements in newspaper. You just check the newspaper and then cutscene goes. When we are not even in the same, it was so badly directed or planned, and then I think the DLC, yes, the DLC missions were included, and it was like also fucking with the pacing, and it was just, yeah, it's a shame. I mean, it's a nice experience. There's definitely big, like there was big. I can't speak anymore. Like definitely had ambition and incredible amount of dialogue, nice acting, actors, everything. It has had a lot going for it, but you can see that it was misguided and they just had to release it. And if you would overhaul, that's the weird thing, that if this was the remastered version, so if you just if it would be like a director's cut and just change the pacing, I think you already have the key elements and everything. It's already there. So if you just make it more focused, cut out the yeah, cut out the parts which just fuck with the pacing, then you could have a better experience. Oh shit. Okay. All I want to do now, create a list. Okay, right? So this is exactly the same thing now. But let's just check, okay? So we're gonna double check everything. So this is still Python 7, 8. So we are trying to create so it god damn it. Yeah, so this is not gonna do anything for us because it's still the same thing. So if I would now call this sorted, it's just gonna sort the letters itself. So we're gonna do the line dot split. What if I'm just gonna do a split as well? I have no Okay, that's cool. That's very nice. So now we have yes. But what I want to do, put them all in one line. Put them all in one. Now we have this sort thingy. Where are you? Words.salt. God damn it, what am I doing? Is it possible? Built-in method, right? I need to find out how to get, if we have a bunch of lists, how can we add them to one single list? Once you use the split to break string into a list of words, you can use the index operator, which we already did. You can call split with an optional array called delimiter that specifies which characters to use as word boundaries. So it takes a list, concatenates, join is a string, you have to invoke it. So join. Ah, god damn it. Yeah, I'm not gonna update now. Join is the inverse of split. It takes a list of string and concatenates the elements. Join is a string method. You have to invoke it on the delimiter and pass the list as a parameter. So we have a list which is not currently, okay, so we have the list, right, which is now this. If we split it now, we kind of created the list, right? And then the delimiter will be no, no, or is it? Yeah, okay, wait. Because this guy is a list. This guy is a string. Still not working. In this case, delimiter is a space, so join put a space between the words. Okay, no. No, this is not what we want. Oh, fucking bullshit. How? Why is it not even there, right? Like, it's such a legit question, which I have right now. May I? No, can I can't do this. No. No. Nana boo boo to you. Single accessing of a list is the same for accessing the bracket operator. I think I'm losing it again, because last time I was stuck on something, and in the end it wasn't even what I was supposed to do, right? Because here it says this, but maybe it's still like, I think we should just move on from this idea. Maybe we can add it to the list. I don't know. I'm just getting so triggered from having questions, no idea, and then should I just move on because I don't know? I'm so triggered. I'm so triggered from this shit. I could really. I mean, 7 week in, and I'm so triggered. I cannot tell you how much. Excuse me. If you know the element you want to remove, you can use. Okay. So other ways to go about this could be that we don't create a new list, and we're gonna just look for the unique words. And if it already happened before, okay. Another way. Another way to go about this could be that we do not create a new list, but only remove previously mentioned words, right? If you know the index, I know. I mean, I could just add the index and that's it. Because I know the index. What if I'm gonna do it like this? Because I do know the index, right? Fuck you. I'm gonna do it like this. I can do it. I mean, of course, with a large file, I wouldn't be able. But I could do it with the index. Very easily, I could do it. Ha! You fucking piece of shit. Oh my god. I'm cursing. There are several ways to delete elements from a list. If you know the index, you can use pop. Modifies the list and returns the element that was. If you don't know, the provide in index, it deletes and returns the last element. If you don't need to remove the value, you can use the del statement. If you know the element, yeah, but this is not what he wants. This is obviously not what he wants. They want me to look with a they'll we need to think about this. We know that this is if words not equal to the same line as before. If words not equal to, or so in this case, if words not equal to words, is it possible to do this? I think this is bullshit. But yeah, let's write it down. Let's write the questions because yeah, maybe we move on, but I do want to know. So exercise, which is this exercise? Actually create, this is actually the file. But exercise 3 and 4. God damn it. Extract all the words and put them into a separate list. Does it even make sense? I mean, I don't know. Another way it could be that we do not create a new list but only remove previously mentioned words. So, and in this case, we check if it's 0. Yes, it starts at 0 because we care about the first word. Or if word 0 is not equal to words. And it does equal. So yes. So if it is, continue. Else, if words, else. Shit, do I need to, where should I put this? Elif, sorry. Fucking, if words 0, I don't know, I don't think so, because it's only gonna check for the first character, I think. If words is equal to words, break that shit. If words, Elif, words, God damn it. Maybe I can put this here or here. No, not gonna work at all. If words, we start at 0, the very first letter, which is gonna be but. So this is where we start. Or if but is equal to anything here, is not equal to anything here, not equal to anything here, continue. But here, the but will already equal now. Right? So, what happens? I don't want to see the syntax error, to be honest. I don't want to see it. Oh my god. Let me play some guitar. Okay, let's play some guitar. Yo. What are you doing here? Okay, I will eat food now. Last time when I did my stream for the preparation for our project, I just went for a little break and YouTube fucking banned me, like strike my channel, and I had to like make a claim. What's the name of it when you dispute and they realized it was a mistake because I was not with the intention to become a XQC. Why don't you dance with me? No, I'm not upset, to be honest, because I think this is also part of the learning. This is really like you ask yourself the dumbest questions. I mean, really, and try to understand what actually goes on, because this is how you know you understand. Right? Oh shit. I think really I'm not happy. Like, it's the guitar is for this stuff. It's good. You can read my mind. Open chords often do sound bad on electric guitars, but that's because there isn't anything. Electric guitar strings are much thinner than this means they have a lower tensions. See? Let's practice this little bit. Dance with me. Yeah, this is nice like this. 1, 2. Yeah, I think this what can really help is really not pressing it, like just slightly touch the G, and yeah, don't forget to bring the couple with you. Important, important shit. Excuse me. yeah, still. Okay. Nice. I think I can jam to this. Very nice. Okay, so break time. I mean, that was the break, but I will make another tea time actually. And yeah. So hopefully YouTube doesn't stop my stream because of this. See, I put their break time. Break time is over. Break time is over. We must think. We must use our brain. So, don't overthink. Don't overcomplicate. Just try to understand the logic. So, this if len words means we're gonna definitely start at the 0, right? And then we need to check if the words is not equal. But so wait, because here with 0, because here it makes sense if our word 0 doesn't equals from. But so when it goes like this, it means, so now we can actually use the debug, right? Maybe we can use it with the Romeo as well. Let's try it with the Romeo. Huh. Yeah, okay. Now, I mean, it makes sense because nothing is gonna be from. Here is nothing is gonna be from. But I don't want to ruin my previous code, okay? So please don't do that. I will just do it here. What the sun already. Okay, this is nice. This is actually interesting because we have some results. We have some results. Okay, let's check with is. Because we want to see what happens with is after is. No. Ah, man, I really think this is just this is way beyond your, like, I'm sorry. This is this is previous generation brain. It's previous generation brain, unfortunately. Oh, okay, what I don't even know what I want to do, man. I don't even know. Or, okay, so if len is not equal to okay, is equals to 0, and words not equals to is, then continue. But is here, right? So, and then now we're gonna print What's the problem? Why is it not working? Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna do with this guy. We're gonna go through with this guy. I will ask about these breakpoints. Where should I use the breakpoints? What are locals and what are... So locals are these, okay. Special variables, globals. I don't know what's the actual difference. Okay. So line dot split. So, yes, right? Okay. So that's it. That's it. You figured it out. It has to be initially on the file, the zero has to be like it initially on the file, it should be the zero, right? So see, the return path now is this guy. And then this line split created a new, exactly. Exactly. So we're gonna continue, and we're gonna not even gonna go back there. We're not even gonna go back there. Okay, okay. Yeah, see? So we are using the debug tool. Yes. So has to be the zero. Zero. So in this case, if we want to, so we're gonna check the line, and the first which means yes, so the continue here means that we're gonna go back. We're not gonna care. Continue, we're just gonna go back, and we're not even gonna like deal with the rest of the shit. So what could you do? Like, hey, if words is not equal to, wait, so we're gonna check. Okay, we can even debug this guy. Let's debug this guy now. So we are gonna have a words line, but soft what light, right? If len, and now we created the words, right? Which is 0 until 7 for each line. So, and we're gonna we're gonna continue, of course, because nothing is gonna work here, obviously. So what can we do? If word 0 because if len words equals 0, so if words I don't know how we're gonna check for the same thing. Yeah, we don't even need this. If len words is 0, yeah, so the only reason we had this, yeah, so you misunderstood this. If, yeah, because here we don't even need this. This is only a guardian. It's a guardian thingy. So we don't even care. We only want I mean, of course, we can leave it here because this is a guardian pattern. So if we would have like an empty line, okay, finally, yeah, okay, I get it. But what we need to find out if words and any of it is equal to or words like everything, literally everything in this is the same. I don't know. I don't think so. Because it's gonna check the whole thingy, right? Here everything is the same. Everything is unique. So we can continue. So if it's not unique, if words is the same as do we even need the slide or slicing? If words is words, if it's the same, continue. And then we're gonna go to the next one where it's not the same. And in that case, what then? What then? What will happen after that? So we know, yeah, we have this. If words or words is words, continue. And it's the same, so it's gonna continue. Yeah, this is just gonna loop and not gonna do anything. Jaj. Okay. Okay. Thinking. because we gonna, okay, so we here we are comparing individual. Yes, we are comparing these, but we don't want this. We want to actually like compare it if words is the same or greater, is the same. Wait, is the same or greater? The same, less or than, or greater than or equal to. Or words is less than or equal to words 1. Okay, yeah, yeah, makes sense. Yeah, yeah, whatever. So is, let's stay with this is. If not, hmm, I don't think so. Hmm. it's the same. No, it's not. Yeah, but now it's great because we are actually adding it to something, right? I mean, I don't know if this helps us, but no, it's not what we want. Because we are adding into a unique list, but it's still just line by line, right? Hmm. I think this is not gonna work out today. I don't think this is gonna work out today. I don't know. Yeah, I mean we are almost there. I think we are almost there though. We just need to find a way to communicate. I think I'm overthinking, definitely overthinking. Let's just think it through. If okay. No. I think we should make another variable. So we just gonna put here yes. So we're gonna make a yeah, the alias thingy, or what was that? So your mirror alias. Sha la 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 aliasing. Mm-hmm. need something. We need another thingy, yeah. So I'm gonna remove the unique because we don't need it now. And we're gonna start collecting unique is equals zero, the first value, right? And if words, wait, if words is not equal to, I mean, this is exactly the same thing which you did before. It's not gonna help you, I don't think so. Continue. Yeah, of course. Okay, your indexing is bad. Your indexing is bad. This is not great. Yeah. Fine. I understand now. This is how I should do it. Ah, wait. No. I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do at all. I don't understand any of this. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Yeah, okay, so zero is, yeah, it's gonna give you, okay, don't panic. Fucking stop panicking, please. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay. So, we got the first character, right? And then, now, we should go through it again. If len words or words is not unique, okay. This is just, ignore this because this is just the guardian. But if is not unique, continue. So all we need now, because we have unique words, right? So we have the first character, right? So we just need a loop to, we have the first character, and if if words like maybe second character, I don't know, we need to make a loop which will go back to the same line, to repeat the same line over and over again, so that we can double check each and every line. So if My mind is dead. Yoy, 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 yoy. we have we have now a variable which will check for the first letter, right? And it's gonna be but. So how can we now, oh wait. If words one is the same as continue, if words, but I want you to check for each and every single line, not only one. So we have a unique list, but so if unique is the same, if unique is the same as words, if unique is the same as words, and it's not, because it's only but, what do you do then? Not it's again not okay, it's, I don't think it's the what we want, because we have but we still don't have the whole first line is unique, right? And word, we have to, for each word you have to check. So now we are checking one word. So if words so list travels or something. Let's check the travels part. Travel. Okay, whatever. I don't know what's going on. Sha la 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 la. What is the if not? The not is also the if not. We then finally want to do something that painting the whole app. Often we want to find the interesting lines and then parse the line to find some interesting part of the line. So, if not, why we had to do the R strip? Maybe the whole idea is wrong because we don't have to actually create. We don't have to create this the split. But this is what he says. This is exactly what he says. I think that's the problem with with YouTube, definitely, because at least on Twitch you have some random people, like really. But here I don't even know how you wanna, like, if you go to YouTube, you just cannot access live. You can only stream for people who already follow you, I think. Okay, I'm thinking. Unique is already there. Very nice. We have the first character. Uh, why we don't have to use R strip here? Ah, see, when you wanted to check, that's also because this is, okay, I understand. So this is why, because this is also null, or not null, but it doesn't, okay, whatever. Um, iteration variable. I think we need to also add the iteration variable, right? So for line, unique words equals for line in Benny Open. Yes. For line in Benny Open. So, but the problem is this unique guy doesn't exist anymore, I guess, if we're gonna move here. Yes, this words thing will only happen there. So okay, so we can make like something. We already thought about a solution that we're just gonna use the indexing, but this is not what we want, right? So here we have a loop. We have something which will check for the lines, and it will add the first character of each. And unique is always gonna be words. And then what happens? Print unique. If fucking bullshit. If unique is the same as words, the whole thing is not the same. Why would that make sense? So now it's not the same. I don't think so. It's gonna be stupid because it's not gonna be the same anyway. Continue. Print nothing. If unique is not equal, continue, but it is not equal, continue. Same thing. So we have a line of code which will add now the first, yeah. How can I ask Python to read the same line over again to check each word in the list? I don't wanna cheat. Okay. What is this button for? Oh my god. Yeah, I guess it's not today, guys. It's not today. I don't know how long I'm gonna be stuck here. If word 0 is the same as if words if un is 0 is the same as, if it's not the same, so we can compare, but it will only compare the numbers. It will only compare this. I want you to check for each and every single line. How? I'm gonna smash this shit. I don't know, guys. I think you have to know. You have to know when to stop. This is not healthy. This is not mental health, guys. This is not great. No. I don't want this. I don't want this. I literally don't want this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this, guys. I literally don't want to do this. Through. We already have a bot here, right? We know. So what we need now is, because this will only check the words, but I do want to save it. So unique equals word 0, and then I want you to remember that there was a bot there. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't take this shit. I don't want to do this shit. This guy, this is gonna be a suicide. I'm 100% sure, guys. This I'm gonna so like this is I'm so close, I think. Literally. This is bad. I know. I'm sorry. It shouldn't be like this. It should be like chill. Of course we don't know because we don't, this is the first time we are dealing with this, but it's just like start to ask questions which are start okay, it's fun, but I don't know where to look and I don't know what to do, and I'm getting time after time, question after question, confusion after confusion. I'm getting so fucking mad. Getting so, and then I even when another question raises, I'm already upset because I know I'm gonna run the same circles. It pisses me so off. It pisses me so off. I cannot tell you how much it pisses me off. I cannot tell you how much. But then you have, of course, the shitty feeling that you already wanted to do this. You already like announced and everything. This is why you shouldn't announce anything. Something should be your hobby because you feel peer pressured by the like, because you already declared that you want to do this, and we said we're gonna finish this book. You're not gonna be a quitter. But then what the fuck I should do with this shit? And of course he's not available to help. Ah. Okay, calm down. It's okay. It's very sad that we ended it. But we're sitting here for at least 2 hours. We are trying to think about stuff. What did we learn? Okay, what did we learn? Okay, we couldn't control ourselves again. No emotions were controlled today, which is was the first, like when I was freaking out with Victor at the pub, and that there's no reason for you to feel like this because this is all new and we are just all figuring out stuff. So why have to be so fucking emotional? I just don't understand because we don't know yet. We don't know yet. We are trying to figure it out. So why are you fucking pissed? Oh, what did we learn today? Because I'm gonna fucking wrap this up today. What did we learn? What did we learn? We started to use the debug again. Um, and don't be mad. That's the thing. You're mad because you thought you're gonna solve this today, but you're not gonna solve this today. And of course, it's disappointing, and it's because you had an expectation you're gonna match. But you're gonna have to lower your fucking expectations in order to be successful and to see progress. You're just gonna have to. Maybe you're gonna sit on the code for weeks. And I don't want to do that. I don't want. Ooh, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh. Oh my god, that was very awful. Oh my god. Okay, that was a rage. I will just consider this was a rage and that's it. So we are able to check the first character, right? This is true. It will find the but the problem is now it's gonna go to the next line. And I want to go, instead of going to the next line, you should stay on the same line. How can we ask Python to stay on the same line instead of going to the next line? How can we ask Python to do that? So we know the first letter here. So if for line, so we can create another for loop inside the for loop. So for line in Benny open, words dot and equals line. No, for unique. Fucking kurva anyádat. In if unique, okay, for unique in words, if unique is equal oh my god, I can't believe it. Jesus Christ, maybe this is gonna be something. Oh my goodness. So now we have a lines, right? But we are looking for the words. So for unique in words, and unique is but, So if unique is equals, oh my god, Jesus. Okay, that was it. Create another for loop under it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, but this is such huge thing for me, man. Because I just created an my goodness. Okay, this is I mean this is huge. This is huge. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my by myself. By myself. By myself. I always forget how to make notes. Jesus Christ. After tantrum. Is it a tantrum what I did? Tantrum. Okay. 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 Jesus, and it took so much time. And this happened the same like last time as well when I put Dell. So that's the thing. Like, if we can avoid, if we can avoid the tantrum and just okay, I don't know now. But then you try something and it's gonna work. And this is I know this is very small, but guy, this is something which comes to you after, I don't know, but it's very nice. I'm happy that I can look for each word. Okay, so we know we progressed. We progressed. I have to go, I guess. Let me check the bus. $38 minutes. I have 38 minutes. So that's nice. I need some food. Wow. Okay. I think what we can do really just work. I'm gonna take the laptop anyway with me, so we're gonna work on it. But yeah, let's figure it out. So now we can check for each words. Okay, well, no, no. But the thing is now, okay, we have that it's unique. So we can check each and every letter in words. So if unique is equals to so the next question still would be like, please add, because this is a string now, please make a list and add each unique list. Yeah, so if unique, if the letter is the same if not, then let's go, guy. Let's go. It's we are somewhere. So if is the same, then continue. But if it's not the same, but it's always gonna be the same. It's always gonna, because for now we always checking the same words to each other. So yeah, I have to go. That was the breakthrough today. We are able to check words, right? Words. We're gonna sit down tomorrow again and we continue this wonderful and very happy and heart-touching, heartwarming story of learning Python. Bye.